What's going on, beautiful people? It's your boy Lando Success, your favorite motivational teacher to go is whenever you come to my channel to leave knowing something that you didn't know before you came here. And we're going to talk about Apecoin, all that good stuff. We got a new studio area. I'm going to work on that and show you guys some new upgrades that I'm doing with the studio. But make sure you hit that subscribe button. Now, I did a video the other day talking about Apecoin, saying I'm going to sell Apecoin. So I'll let you guys know like a week plus ago, I'm about to sell Apecoin. Then yesterday I told you guys, yo, I'm about to sell it today. I end up selling it right about $3.95 a coin because it did 100% what I said it would do, such as it's going to get close to $4, not going to hit $4 exactly, probably $4.97, $4.98, and go back down. So I'm happy I did at $3.95, but now we have a new issue. And this is a great learning lesson, and this is some game for people that's new to crypto and trying to figure out a game plan, a strategy, sticking with it, and how you revise your strategy. So my strategy was to sell right there at, we'll just say $4 even, and wait for it to go like to 320 and buy back in, and we're going to keep on swing trading it. But we had something crazy happen. Apecoin ended up going back up to the high of the 397 and shot past it, and we were well past $4 right now. Let's see exactly what the price is at the time of recording this. So it went up to last hour. It went up, I believe it went past that. I believe it went to like 430 something. It's just showing it weird on here because it's only showing, let's see if I can see on coin market cap so I can get the real price. But I believe it went to like 430. Now you got all of cryptocurrency is down in the red, and you got Apecoin completely taken off. So what usually happens is a newer investor will be pissed off at themselves. They will be like, man, Apecoin went all the way. So yeah, we're just gonna say 420 something. We'll keep it as that. So they're gonna say Apecoin went all the way up to 425, almost 430. I missed out on a lot of money. Man, I sold too early. Let me give you some game. If you want to be a pro, you want to make money, unfortunately, 9 times out of 10, you need to sell on a green day. You need to sell on a rally, so you would never be able to really sell at the top, because when everything is green going up, that is when you sell. You don't want to wait till it's red and everything going down. So you're not going to never be able to time exactly the full top. Now, the next thing is you revise your game plan, because there's a few things that can happen. One, what I expect to happen is it's going to go back down under $4. It's going to go back to the area I said, 320. Second option is it's just going to keep on going up. Now, if it keep on going up, you don't want to be that person that's saying, man, you know, I sold too early and I never bought back in because it kept on going up. Me, I'm okay with losing out on $1,000 or something, but I will get back in the game. My plan would be probably to get back in once Apecoin hit $5. So if it hit 497, we just say 495, that's when I will completely buy back in. So I'll miss out on that whole dollar of gain. So let's say that's $1,000. Probably be more than that. But let's just say if I miss out on $1,000, 495 will be my buy-in mark to buy back in, because I'm going to not miss out on the next rally. If I buy in at 495 and they go lower, it is what it is. But now I can sit back and chill, because now I can see it's going to keep on going up and get ready to buy in, or I'm going to wait for it to go down and buy in, or it's just going to trade sideways for a while and I'm just going to keep on stacking my money. That's how you really want to do it on some of these coins, especially like an Apecoin, because Apecoin run different. It have a whole different swag compared to Bitcoin, Ethereum, and everybody else. So you can make money with Apecoin. You just have to know how to do it. So I just made money on that trade. I couldn't time it perfectly, but who really can? So let me know in the comments what's y'all thoughts on Apecoin. Are you guys buying? Are you guys holding it? What exactly is your game plan? Because mine, swing trade for right now. After a while, I'm going to get it back. Like once I put over $1,000 into it, I'm going to probably put it on my cold wallet with Arculus, probably slide it over there and just leave it and once I put money over there, I really don't plan to take it out anytime soon. So it will probably be close to $1,000 increments. Everything I put over there been over $1,000. That's how I'll probably do it. Then keep on swing trading and stuff like that. So appreciate you guys. Hope all is well. If you guys interested in some free stocks, you can sign up for Moomoo. Shout out to Moomoo. Need some free crypto, get all the links and affiliate stuff in the bio. Not a financial advisor, just a black brother giving y'all some game. And I'm out.